Dear children, in our last video, we have studied about the importance of proteins, vitamins and minerals. We all know that we are all fighting against coronavirus. And to fight against this disease, doctors are suggesting that our diet should be rich in proteins, vitamin C and vitamin D. What we learn is not only to know, understand, write exams or to get good marks. We should apply our knowledge in our daily life. So our diet should be rich in proteins like dal, grams, pulses, etc. And for vitamin C, your diet should be rich in papaya, strawberries, citrus fruits like lemon, oranges, etc. And for vitamin D, it's very simple. You can go for a walk in the morning sunlight around 6:30 to 7:30 so that your body can produce vitamin D. So other than hand washing and social distancing, you should have a proper healthy diet which is rich in protein, vitamin C and vitamin D. Follow all these things and fight against COVID-19 coronavirus.
Let us revise the sources of protein. Vitamin C, and vitamin D. Children, I mean walking in the morning sunlight only in your terrace or balcony. Don't go outside. Stay home. Okay, let us continue. In the chapter 2, Components of Food, we have studied about different types of nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and their types. Other than nutrients, roughage and water are the important components of food which our body needs. First, let us learn about roughage. Roughage is otherwise called dietary fiber. What are dietary fibers? Food items like cereals, fresh vegetables, fruits, salads cannot be digested by the body. The portion of plant food that cannot be digested is called roughage. Roughage consists of indigestible plant carbohydrates called cellulose present in plants. They do not provide any nutrients to our body. Then why should we have roughage in our diet? Let us learn the functions of roughage. Roughage helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It helps to remove waste, undigested food from our body and prevents constipation. Whole wheat, bran, fresh or dried fruits, vegetables are good sources of roughage. There are two types of dietary fibers, soluble and insoluble. That is soluble roughage and insoluble roughage. Soluble and insoluble fibers should be in the ratio of 3:1 in our diet. We get fibers from plant sources. As I said earlier, the human body cannot absorb fibers from food. Soluble fibers dissolves in water in our stomach. Insoluble fibers does not dissolve and it passes through the intestines and adds bulk and pushes all waste undigested food out of our body. Soluble roughage is soluble in water. It regulates blood glucose level, regulates blood cholesterol level. Insoluble roughage does not dissolve in water and it prevents constipation. Apple, strawberry, peach, barley, nuts, rice, beans are examples of soluble fiber. Whole grain, turnip, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, wheat bran are examples of insoluble fiber. Generally, fruits and vegetables are good sources of roughage. Now, let us learn about water. Water is very essential component of our body because almost 70% of our body weight is water. Water helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It helps for most of the body functions like digestion, excretion, etc. It helps in throwing out some waste from body as urine and sweat. It helps to regulate our body temperature. We drink water directly as well as receive water from milk, tea, fruits, vegetables and juices. Today we have learned the importance of roughage and water in our diet. So that we have studied the major components of food. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.